Welcome to the Circularity Catalyst. I'm Ken Alston. Today, I'm handing you a new lens, not a mindset trick or surface model, a deeper structure, a secret geometry that predates business, brands, or buzzwords. I'm revealing the architecture behind all regenerative systems. This episode will change how you see your business, your energy, and your role in this moment. If you've been feeling the friction of systems that don't fit anymore, this episode will realign you with the only structure that never breaks under pressure, life itself. Let's be honest, most systems, economic, organizational, even personal, were never designed for endurance. They were built to extract, scale, and rush. They burn out under their own weight. That's not failure, that's a fundamental design flaw. The solution isn't another productivity hack. It's a return to nature's first language, structure. This is the core of my Design Like Nature system, a regenerative model based on what I call the 2-4-6 pattern. It includes the only two strategies you truly need. Then the 4 faces of the tactical tetrahedron, and the 6 energetic connectors between the faces, the sacred infrastructure of life itself. This tetrahedral structure is the first stable geometry to emerge in the natural world. It's how life organizes energy. It's how your business should, too. Let's begin with the 4 faces, the foundation of what I call the tactical tetrahedron. Creation, the spark, the impulse, the yes to life itself. This is the energetic birth of everything. Over time, growth to maturity, not hustle, not infinite scaling, purposeful development within boundaries. Over time, aging to death, the essential pruning, composting, release. Without this, nothing regenerates. And it's all set on a firm foundation of sustainability. Not maintenance, but the actual conditions that support life on Earth for continual renewal and evolution. These 4 facets don't compete, they cooperate, they cycle. Every healthy system, from forests to financial portfolios, move through these cycles. When you resist any of them, you create friction. When you align with them, you unlock flow. And here's where most sustainability work falls flat. It tries to make linear systems less bad instead of re-architecting them to be cyclical, safe, replicating, and sovereign. If this resonates, if you're ready to stop duct taping systems together and start designing like a master builder of life, then I invite you into the Circularity Network. This is more than a community. It's a field of resonance, regeneration, and real design. This is where visionaries come to upgrade not just offers, but operating systems. Head to www.circularitynetwork.com and plug in. The future isn't built alone. It's designed together. Now, let's elevate even further. If the 4 faces are the walls of your tetrahedral regenerative system, then the 6 connectors of the faces are its structural intelligence. These are the energetic structural threads that hold the faces together. Not visible to the untrained eye, but essential for coherence. Each connector carries tension, potential, and communication. In your business or leadership model, these may show up as alignment points between creation and growth to maturity, transitional forces between growth and release, maybe bridges between the conditions needed to sustain life and cycle through each new genesis. When you neglect these connectors, your system fractures under complexity. But when you design with them consciously, intentionally, you create compounding resilience. Most frameworks just focus on actions. Design Like Nature focuses on the architecture beneath the actions. That's why my clients don't just create successful models, they create ecosystems that last. In next week's episode, we go straight into the first connector. It's the bridge between creation, growth, and maturity. We'll explore why most leaders sabotage momentum after that initial spark, and how to install energetic scaffolding that sustains motion with ease. Until then, reflect. Where have you tried to force growth without an appropriate container? Where are you resisting the composting of old strategies? Where could you structure in ways to set you free? I'm Ken Alston. This is the Circularity Catalyst. And this isn't just a better way to build. This is how life builds everything.